Towson is becoming more than a strong business community in the Baltimore region. It's emerging as a growing technology hub. From health tech and ed tech to data analytics and logistics software, innovation is expanding quickly and reshaping how local businesses operate. As David Whitaker, CEO of DDSystems, explains, Towson businesses are adopting more advanced technology than ever before, but the real challenge is making sure that technology stays reliable, secure, and aligned with long-term growth. That's where the right IT partner becomes essential. Several companies are helping drive Towson's tech momentum. Stanley Black & Decker is investing heavily in smart manufacturing and IoT-powered tools. RoadNet Technologies, now part of UPS Logistics, built advanced route optimization platforms that improved delivery efficiency nationwide. Data intelligence company Insight Connex is helping organizations make smarter decisions with location analytics and consumer data. And startups connected to Towson University, like LessonCast and Driven IQ, are pushing innovation in edtech and predictive analytics. But as technology grows, so does complexity. Tech job openings in the region are rising, and businesses are becoming more digitally dependent every year. At the same time, downtime remains costly. Companies lose over 15 minutes per employee each day to IT disruptions. That's why reliable infrastructure, strong cybersecurity, and proactive IT strategy are essential for Towson's growing tech ecosystem. If you'd like to explore the top tech companies in Towson and what they mean for local businesses, check out the full article on our website. And don't forget to add this podcast to your playlist so you can revisit these insights anytime.